Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A53s. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning let's enter Google app. Now tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Voice Match, and make sure that this function is enabled. Now let's go back and there is no lock screen section in this phone, so we can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, okay Google, what's the weather like today?"
It's 11 and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a high of 11 and a low of 8. And tomorrow, there'll be showers.
And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.